Hi guys, so this is the last assignment for this week using these 6 vocabulary words. So for this week, you are going to film a little video using the words in a sentence. So it is very similar to the paragraph assignment. However, you're filming the video and it is a bit shorter than the paragraph assignment. So what this is going to kind of look like, I'll make my screen bigger, so this is kind of what your video is going to look like. So the word that I have been using all week is audible, and so the sentence that I would use in the video would be, his bone made an audible crack sound when his leg hit the floor. So I'm using the word audible in its correct sense. Sorry, that is my cat. And that's kind of gonna be what you guys are gonna be doing for this. So just one sentence for each of the 6 words, or again, if you wanted to, you can make one longer sentence with all words included if that would be easier for you. It is up to you, but that is what this assignment is going to look like. So I hope you guys all have a good week, and I will see you next week.